In this video I'm going to show you how to do a popcorn using half double crochet when there's only 2 stitches required. So whenever it says that you have to do that in the pattern, this is how you do it. So I'm just gonna go to the second one over for clarity, and I'm going to half double crochet twice. So half double crochet twice. So once you get that done, you're done. So just drop the loop and go into the top of the first one of the 2 and go into the top of the stitch and push the hook to the back and grab the loop and pull it through. Let me show you one more time. So let's just show you here. So we're gonna half double crochet twice. So the number of times you would half double crochet is subjective to the pattern. It would tell you that. And then you would go first one of the 2, top of the stitch, and then pull through. So this is always assumed, unless it tells you otherwise, as the right side popcorn. If it said WS popcorn, that means that's the wrong side. So let me show you how that would be done. So you're going to half double crochet as normal, and what this is gonna do is change the direction of what side the popcorn is gonna fall on. So we're gonna drop it. Instead of coming from the front to the back, which is the right side, you wanna come from the wrong side, the back, and come forward and the top of that first stitch. It's a little harder on the half double crochets to do this particular stitch. I don't know if I've ever seen a half double crochet popcorn, but I'm sure it exists. That's why I'm doing this today. So then you put the loop onto it and then you just pull it back, and you see it just change the look of the stitch. So this one's popping towards you, this one's popping away from you. Depending on the project, it matters. So this would be how you would do a half double crochet popcorn.